Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video I'm bringing you guys a makeup tutorial on this really cute like Barbie-esque makeup, super pink, super cute. I've never done a pink look before. I'm like looking in the mirror, but it came out really good and I'm really proud of how it turned out actually. So if you want to see how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna, the use, put the hair back. So, I kind of want to just play around with makeup today, do a little fun tutorial. I was thinking about doing like a cute pinkish look. I never do pink, so I pulled out like, you have no idea. I pulled out 5 palettes because I don't have one that's like, just pinks. So hopefully I can create a look with all this stuff. So there's that. I am gonna keep it behind me because there's so much. But anyways, we're obviously gonna start off with the face, with the eyes first. Just gonna, prep the eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Truly Madly Deeply palette by Colourpop. Such cute packaging. Definitely has more like pinky tones. I'm gonna just apply the CoverFX Dewy Skin Primer real quick, just to let it sink in. I always do this. And literally a little goes such a long way. I actually didn't put enough. Actually, no, that's too much. I'm really getting my dry areas. Going to use Lay Low here, this really nice pinky color, as like a transition shade. So I'm just gonna. I'm gonna actually go in with Poodle here, this nice pink shade, and put that in the crease. And that's going like literally in the crease. I'm gonna take this shade right here. I don't know what this is called. Oh, this is called Bermuda. I think it's gonna be too light, but we will see how it turns out. Look, I have hardly used this palette that the mirror still has the protective on it. Okay, I don't even know if this palette is still good or functioning because I got it 2 years ago. So it's a little dusty, a little chalky, but it is working actually. I kind of like this one. I'm gonna go in with this Super Shock Shadow in Frog by Colourpop. It's literally gorgeous. It's perfect pinky shimmer shade. And I'm just gonna grab some of this, spray the brush. And I like using this little rounded brush from Morphe. This is an E17 brush. I've been loving this for applying shimmer. Love that. We are gonna put a deeper color, maybe in the outer V, a little deep pink. So I'm gonna go in with Blossom here, this color. I'm gonna use that same brush too. And that's what I'm gonna put in the outer part of my eye. Just blend them. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the face now. So I have my primer all set and ready. And I just grabbed my foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Love this foundation. Literally love it. Blend it down my neck because I did get a little bit of a darker shade because it is almost summer here in Arizona and I'm already kind of like starting to sit by the pool and stuff, so I kind of just got like my summer shade. That way I didn't have to get two shades because it is not cheap, guys. This is the Milk Makeup Cream Blush in Work. It's super pretty. So I'm just adding that with this e.l.f. powder blurring brush. I'm gonna dab my nose, of course. We will set the face a little bit. I don't think I'm going to use my beauty blender to do this. I'm going to use a brush. I just need a fun brush. I want to use this. That's probably has highlighter all over it. And I'm going to just like lightly sweep. Use my OG MAC 135 brush. This, I feel like every freaking YouTuber has this brush, like an OG YouTuber. And I'm gonna bronze up. Guys, I'm like obsessed with TikTok. I've made a few. I'm actually gonna make some after this, so at least they look good. But follow me, I'll have it linked in the description box. But it is so fun, like trying to learn all the dances, and people are actually like really creative and super funny. Like I've seen some really funny TikToks, and I'll just sit for hours like on TikTok. Oh no, it's smeared. Okay. I smeared it a little bit. So, give me a sec. Ooh, okay. I like that. I'm gonna go do my other brow off camera, pop some mascara on, and we'll be back to finish off the look. We're gonna use some lip liner. This is NYX in Mauve. I'm losing light here, people. Over top of it with a different gloss. I love this gloss. It's so pretty. Okay, and then we're gonna go over with a clear gloss. This is from e.l.f. This stuff's amazing. And we're gonna go over top. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow all of my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!